stop manually copying and pasting data, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to automate your digital life with N8n. N8n is a powerful, no-code automation platform that lets you connect different apps and services together without writing a single line of code. Think of it as a digital glue that sticks all your online tools together, automating repetitive tasks and saving you tons of time. Whether you're a marketer, a developer, or just someone who wants to streamline their workflow, N8n can help you connect to hundreds of popular apps like Google Sheets, Slack, Gmail, Twitter, and many more to build custom workflows. To get started, you simply drag and drop nodes, which represent different apps or functions, onto the canvas. Then, you connect them together to create a workflow. In this example, we're creating a workflow that automatically posts a message to Slack whenever a new email arrives in Gmail. Each node has its own configuration panel, where you can input your credentials and customize the settings. You can also use expressions to transform data and create complex logic. Once your workflow is set up, you can test it to make sure it's working correctly, and when you're ready, you can activate it to run automatically in the background. This is just a basic overview, but N8n is capable of so much more. Check out the N8n website to access detailed documentation, tutorials, and a vibrant community forum. Start exploring and unlock the power of automation today.